Sọ pé Nàìjíríà kò lè ever ṣiṣẹ́, ẹ máa sọ fún wa pé ká shut up. Àná ni a order kìíní, just about ẹ jẹ́ kí n wo time tí mo ní kí daughter mi kó order lórí Amazon so that kí ẹ lè understand the importance of a working economy tó ń ṣiṣẹ́. Now, mo fẹ́ ká wo message yìí, ẹ rí pé this is the time tí mo ní kí daughter mi kó order kìíní lórí Amazon. Exactly almost 7 p.m. local time lálẹ́ àná. Àná ni 1st of July 2025. Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorstep. And look at the item itself has now been delivered. So if we are saying that small businesses will strive when you have a working economy, and this is the item on Amazon, Morani àná was even £3. Or to reduce it, say £2.97. Same item, delivered, ordered yesterday, and these are the economy that strive. Ẹni tó ní business yẹn nísìn, ó lè jẹ́ pé in tó fi ń survive òun àti family ẹ̀ nìyẹn. Ẹ wo time yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí o. Can you see the time? Mo tún pe ọmọ mi ní 8:30 pé ṣó ti order kíní tí mo ní kó order. Item yẹn ló ṣe deliver. Time wo ló deliver? Aago nísìn is just about almost 12:23 p.m. local time. Èyí ni 2nd of July 2025. Túbọ̀ máa support bullshit o. Má jẹ́ ká tètè endorse Yorùbá Nation. Kí wọ́n náà lè rí ayé gbé, kó lè rí business ṣe, kó má rely lórí àwọn fake politician. Bye for now.